boys and girls. Welcome to episode 6 of BPL. Uh,
Also, I've been a huge fan of Shreyas Iyer, and he's still 25 years old, so he's still learning the tips and tricks of the trade. Happy to see him in the T20I and the ODI squad for now, and hopefully he goes on to learn more from the current team and then takes over the mantle from Virat Kohli.
yeah, yeah.
Also, I had a question about the number four, number five spot. Like, do you think it's sealed? Has that question ended with Shreyas Iyer or
I
Manish
think
Pandey?
they'll start. No, I think Shreyas will be the first preference for number four, and Manish probably might not fit into the 11 to start off with. But I think the competition for number four, I think, will be between Shreyas and Manish Pandey.
And we're only talking about one tour right now. So there is a very high chance that Rishabh Pant is going to come back into the Indian squad. And because he's anyway there in the test squad. Again, either way, right? One thing very questionable is that a wicketkeeper who's not actually a wicketkeeper, who's also the vice captain, and he has to wicketkeep for 50 overs in a day and also open to bat. And we don't have a replacement in the squad. If KL Rahul is injured, who do you think is going to wicketkeep? If he just has a hamstring injury for one match, who's going to keep the wickets? That's a question, right? That's
No, I mean, then you can obviously bring in any of them, whoever is there, Sanju Samson or.
You can only bring someone in if he's ruled out
Rishabh
of the entire series. You can't bring someone in just for one game who's not in the squad.
Yeah, I don't
So
know.
that was really surprising because we have two wicket keepers for Indian T20 squad. For Test squad, we have two wicket keepers, but
Yeah.
ODI we have none.
Shubham, are you disappointed that Kedar Jadhav didn't make it?
Does he have a contract anymore with BCCI?
Oh, I saw.
I don't know. I think days are gone, dude. Time to move on.
All right, so let's move on to the test squad. We have two surprises, Navdeep Saini and Mohammad Siraj, both from RCB camp. Although we're not winning the IPL, but we are winning Indian contracts.
Definitely, bro. RCB quota.
So
पहले
Navdeep,
CSK quota होता था, अभी RCB quota होता है.
So, guys, just talking about the schedule, we have 3 ODIs followed by 3 T20s and then 4 tests. The tour starts on 27th of November and goes on till 15th of January.
yeah, just to talk about the bowlers, I think I've been very impressed by Navdeep Saini. Quick bowler, great line, great length, thoroughly deserved. And I don't know, Siraj was a bit of a surprise to me, honestly. He's done well with the new ball. He's not been given a lot of chances by Virat. But whenever he comes in with the new ball, he's been effective. Not so much towards in the middle overs or in the death at all. But I think that's the thinking about including him. Like that he bowls good lines and lengths with the new ball.
Hyderabadi guy,
Yeah,
Mohammad
bro.
Siraj.
They call him
For
Mia.
so long.
Yeah, so a little bit about Mohammad Siraj, right? He recently had like a coming to age kind of a match versus KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders, where he took 3 wickets in and gave her only 8 runs in
Yeah.
the 4 overs that he's bowled. And all the balls that he was bowling were test ball lengths. And it was fantastic. Like it was all in good length and it was swaying away from the batsman and they weren't able to pick it. And that also showed us how important uh, test ball lengths is or bowling Yorkers is in a match. And you don't necessarily need to always hit the bouncers or tweak. The bowler doesn't need to tweak his style based on T20. It was really refreshing to see Mohammad Siraj play like that. And in the post-match conference, when the commentators were talking to him, he said that he took MS Dhoni's advice to him very seriously. Where MS Dhoni said, if you're having an off day, many people are going to write you off, and do not spend a lot of time thinking about it. Otherwise, you'll go mad. Just focus on your game. Take each day as it comes, because when जब तेरा दिन आएगा बेटा तब तू शेयर है, something like that, and then that really inspired Mohammad Siraj. We see the CSK quota into the Indian team now becoming the RCB quota. Deepak Chahar, now Mohammad Siraj. They're fantastic bowlers, but you guys see the cohesion that they share with the captains in their IPL.
Yeah.
That moves to them being selected for the Indian cricket team.
One thing I really like this season is that after every match, either MS or Virat talks to the youngsters,
Yeah.
And it's very heartwarming to see them share their experiences. Also, there's a photo session when it's hold
Jersey.
MS jersey. The other day I saw Hardik Pandya, Kunal Pandya holding MS jersey. I'm like, you guys have played with him, dude. Why do you need to do all this? But yeah, it's MS.
Man, Chennai Super Kings all the way. Now the all the fans of Sunrisers Hyderabad or Kolkata or Rajasthan Kings, the tournament has become so competitive that we are doing a whistle Podu or Chennai Super Kings, who's already been disqualified from the tournament. We are cheering them so that they beat the others and we get through to the playoffs.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Exciting times coming ahead with India going to Australia. Hopefully, we do well. Also, the first test match is a day and night boxing test match, so that's exciting. And yeah, we're very happy for Shumban Gill. I'm not sure if he'll be in the playing 11, but he's reached a test match squad at the age of 20, man. That's unbelievable.
Yep, exciting.
Absolutely. And Prithvi Shaw is not in T20 or ODI.
So very done by hard luck, man. Inconsistent performances.
By context, I'm not a big fan of Prithvi Shaw, mainly because his fielding. Because the minute he does a misfield or he drops a catch, the entire team's morale goes down. And it's almost like as if he's writing off that batsman and giving them like an additional 15-20 runs.
Great. So I think we have a great squad going to Australia. Hopefully, we do well. Also, we have a day and night test match, so that'll be interesting. It's time for Masala Boys.
Yeah, the one on the left that we just spoke about, the Surya Kumar Virat Kohli staring contest. Right after the squad was announced, the stars aligned in such a way that Mumbai played Bangalore, where Surya Kumar showed everyone, including the Indian captain, right up how good he is. He finished the game for Mumbai, stayed till the end. And Virat Kohli tried to sledge him. He did not get bogged down at all, stayed calm, and then won the game for them. So that's how Mumbai Indians Twitter handle summarized the game. He came, he stared, and he conquered. And great summary to the game. Very happy for Surya Kumar.
And the selectors, after watching Surya Kumar Yadav's innings, अब underground होने का समय हो गया.
Oh my God, Shubham, what is your obsession with welcome, man?
Dude, it's a classic, and I don't know whoever makes these memes, they also have an obsession with welcome, and just another reference here where Kings 11 out of nowhere comes and says in Firoz Khan style, "Abhi hum zinda hain." Thanks to the universe boss primarily.
Fantastic, man. Awesome.
That brings us to the end of episode 6. Thank you all for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And press the bell icon to be notified.
Yeah, and if you guys have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and we will definitely incorporate that in the coming videos. Cool, thank you, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.
Thank you, guys. The Gale Storm. If you look at the way Punjab has played, without Gale, their first half of the tournament, they've won only one game. And in the second half of the tournament, out of the 5 matches they've played, they've won all 5. Unfortunately, towards the end, they lost the 2 games. But what energy he's brought, guys? What do you think?
Just the kind of energy and the swag that he gets into the team, the confidence that he sort of imparts onto other players, it is pretty infectious. And you can see like people like Mandeep Singh and Glenn Maxwell, who didn't perform so well, also started doing well when Gale came about. So credit to the boss, man. Like turn fortunes.
You know what Kumble said? If that Gale doesn't run singles and doubles, but he's running singles and doubles. You know,
Exactly.
that just shows how badly he wants to play and how how desperate he wants Punjab to do well.
Correct. And when Gale fields a ball, the whole team erupts. And Brain Lara keeps talking about how energetic he's seeing Gale on the field and how pumped up he is when he's running, as you mentioned. Recently, Sachin Tendulkar gave in an interview and he said how certain players, just the way that they play, their style, the statement that they make with the hard-hitting shots, it sort of like empowers the entire team and takes them to a different level, and the energy levels or the forward-looking momentum that they generate is simply fantastic, and that we can see here of Kings 11 Punjab's performance.
Yeah, just to special mention to the captain KL Rahul. You know, I've become a huge fan of his. I used to like him before, but I think from this IPL onwards, the way he's sort of conducted himself, and he's the leading run scorer, the orange cap
Yeah.
winner by a huge margin. So great credit to him for sticking out and just staying calm. And I think he's also, along with KL Rahul should also be given a lot of credit. And
Right.
he has been rewarded in the Indian squad that we'll be talking about later.
Yeah.
But he's earned a fan.
I just want to add one point over there. Gale hasn't opened for Punjab. He has to
Yeah.
play number 3.
Yeah.
It's Rahul and Mayank opening, right? So he's able to take on big batsmen.
The way Gale is conducting himself, right? He hit a 50 and then he turned towards the camera and so that he's the universe boss as he showed up here. And even afterwards, he talks to the commentators and he says, just respect the name. And even in the Super Over versus Mumbai Indians, which became a double Super Over, Mayank Agarwal asked him, Gale, do you want to bat or should I open? And he's like, Mayank, what are you talking about, man? The universe boss is going to bat first.
Oh, I remember that. Everyone was worried about singles and doubles. He comes and hits the first ball for 6.
Yeah.
That's actually the first and only 6 recorded in all the Super Overs played this IPL.
Wow.
Oh wow.
All right. So we are very happy that Gale is back.